I'm guessing you're here because you're dreaming of saving for a down payment on a house, a luxury vacation, or a stress-free emergency fund. Or maybe you're just here because you're looking for a new way to save. Stay until the end and listen for the ultimate saving money challenge that you can customize to suit your needs and learn how to take control of your finances. I'll be sharing tips, tricks, and actionable steps to help you reach your financial goal, from cutting back on unnecessary expenses to a multitude of other things that will benefit you in the long run. So take the first step towards financial freedom and stay until the end. You won't regret it. Saving money can be hard without the proper mindset. There are tips and tricks that you can use to get it done. Saving money is important for so many reasons. It can provide financial security, help you reach your financial goals, and give you a peace of mind. And what better way to jumpstart your savings by taking on a financial challenge? So let's get started. The first step in the saving money challenge is to set a savings goal. It's important to have a specific and achievable goal in mind, as this will help you to stay motivated and track your progress. For example, you might want to save $500 in 3 months or $1,000 in 6 months. Whatever your goal is, make sure it's realistic and something that you can actually work towards. Next, it's time to create a budget. A budget is simply a plan for how you're going to spend and save your money. By creating a budget, you'll be able to track your spending and identify areas where you can cut back. There are a few different ways to create a budget, but one method is to track your spending for a month and then categorize your expenses into needs and wants. My favorite and most efficient for me is the 50-30-20 method. Needs are things like rent, groceries, and utilities, while wants are things like going out to eat or buying new clothes or that iPhone or PS5 that I keep talking about in every video. Once you have a better understanding of where your money is going, you can start looking for ways to save. Speaking of saving, there are many ways to cut back and save money. One obvious way is to cut back on non-essential expenses, such as going out to eat or buying new clothes. You can also look for discounts and deals, such as using coupons or shopping but targeting sales. And don't be afraid to negotiate your bills. You might be able to get a lower rate on your cell phone bill or cable bill simply by asking. There are also apps out there that you can use to help you, but they aren't sponsoring this little channel, so comment down below if you would like additional information on that. The key is to be creative and resourceful in finding ways to save. Saving money can be a challenge, but it's important to stay motivated. One way to stay motivated is to remind yourself of your financial goals. Maybe you're saving for something exciting and life-changing, like a down payment on a house, or maybe you're just trying to pay off debt. Whatever your goals are, keep them in mind and remember why you're doing this challenge. It's also helpful to celebrate small victories as well as the big ones along the way. If you're able to save an extra $100 in a month, give yourself a small reward as a way to celebrate your progress. Well, so there you have it. A saving money challenge is a great way to jumpstart your savings and reach your financial goals. Remember to set a specific and achievable goal, create a budget, find ways to save, and stay motivated. To me, staying motivated is number 2, because number 1 is obviously the budget, but it's very, very, very important. I hope you found the tips and tricks that I shared to be helpful in reaching your financial goals. Remember, saving money is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time and effort, but the rewards are well worth it. So don't give up, stay motivated, and keep working towards your goals. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos on personal finance and budgeting. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the section below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and happy saving.